What's up, guys? 2018 Nt Collegiate Full Case Random number 1. Going live. Timestamp 623. Already have the teams in. And already have your names in. We randomize both. Throw you in a spreadsheet wherever you line up. That's who you get. Dice 4 or more. This is a 5. 5 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 5. Eagles on top. 49ers on the bottom. KQJLGV is the code for the teams. What the? Nope. And let's do the names again. 4 more. 7 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final, number 7. Ralph on top. Ferd on the bottom. QPEFOA is the code for the names. Wherever you line up, that's who you got, guys. Boom, there you go. And we are done. Timestamp 625. Thanks, guys.